Welcome to Chapter 5 of Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Lesson 31 on adjectives. We spent a lot of time on nouns, pronouns, and verbs. Now we add the words that bring a sentence to life. Adjectives are describing words, and they answer three simple questions about the nouns around them. Let's start with the big idea. An adjective modifies a noun or a pronoun. Modify just means describe. Take the red barn. The word red is the adjective, and it points straight at the noun barn, telling us something about it. So an adjective always attaches to a noun or pronoun and describes it. Here's the test that makes adjectives easy to spot. A describing word is an adjective if it answers one of three questions about a noun. First, which one? That house. The word that picks out which house. Second, what kind? A wooden house. Wooden tells what kind. And third, how many? 3 houses. 3 tells how many. Which one? What kind? How many? Those 3 questions are your detector. Most of the time, an adjective sits right in front of the noun it describes. The cold morning. Cold comes just before morning and tells what kind of morning it was. So your first place to look is always the word right before a noun. If it's describing that noun, it's an adjective. But an adjective doesn't have to come before its noun. Sometimes it follows a linking verb, like is, and reaches back to describe the subject. The barn is red. Here, red comes after is, yet it still describes the barn at the front. When an adjective follows a linking verb this way, we call it a predicate adjective. Same job, just a different seat in the sentence. In this first set, find the adjective, the word that describes a noun. Skip the articles a, an, and the. Ask the 3 questions. Which one? What kind? How many? And pick the word that answers one of them. Pause and try each one before I answer. Ants are social insects. Look for the describing word. Social tells what kind of insects they are, so it describes the noun insects. Insects is the noun itself, and are is the verb, so the answer is social. Queens lay numerous broods of eggs. Ask how many broods. Numerous. That word tells how many, so it's a number adjective describing broods. Broods is the noun, and lay is the verb, so the answer is numerous. They build sturdy nests. Ask what kind of nests. Sturdy. That word describes the noun nests, so it's the adjective. Nests is the noun, and build is the verb, so the answer is sturdy. 3 more. This time, pick the form of the word that works as an adjective and completes the sentence sensibly. Remember, an adjective describes a noun, while an adverb usually ends in ly, and a noun names a thing. Pause and try each one. The honeybee is a very blank insect. We need a word to describe the noun insect. Useful does that. Usefully ends in ly, so it's an adverb, and use is a noun, so the answer is useful. They make blank honey. We want a word that describes the noun honey. Delicious does that. Deliciousness is a noun, naming a quality, and deliciously is an adverb, so the answer is delicious. Ladybugs seem blank to us. Seem is a linking verb, so we need a predicate adjective to describe the subject, ladybugs. Charming does that. Charmingly is an adverb, and charm is a noun. So the answer is charming. Let's wrap up. An adjective is a describing word that modifies a noun or a pronoun. To spot one, ask the three questions: which one, what kind, or how many. If a word answers one of those about a noun, it's an adjective. Most adjectives sit right before their noun, like the red barn. But a predicate adjective can follow a linking verb and reach back to the subject, like the barn is red. Which one, what kind, how many? That's your detector. Great work, and welcome to Chapter 5.